Howdy everybody, this is Sexy White Pumpkin and welcome to the Pumpkin Patch. I did part 1 of this, and I wanted to do a part 2, so that's what this is. This is where we left off in the video, an absolutely hilarious meme. The whole video was hilarious. I had to censor some things, and also reveal a personal secret that I was a furry. But we're just going to gloss right over that and head straight into the thick and thin of it and go back into this. How about that? Here we go. 2020 Hardest Laughs Recap by Mentally Mitch. Go and check that guy out. He's hilarious. All the videos he does are hilarious.
Sorry for being so nervous. I don't usually bring guys back to my place. My dog.
Oh, what a way to start. What a way to start. Yeah, right. Of course you don't. You got me too. Man, good start.
You clean your room so well that the only trash left is you.
Look at the face. Exactly. That's so funny. It's depressing, but it's also funny. That dog looks so weird. Man, I'm gonna turn this down. Oh, no, it's already good.
I wish you ugly dudes would stay out of my inbox.
Oh, man.
Girls, look me in both eyes and tell me you pulled out.
Wow. Oh, man.
We can't do this anymore, August. August Alsina.
I don't know much. I don't know. I don't get it. I don't get it. You can tell me in the comments that I'm dumb. I don't get it. I'm not up to date on news.
Hey, Will, what month is coming up?
I do get that. I do get that. I do get that, and that's so dark. Good Lord. The pain on his face. That face. There's so much pain in it.
What do I look back and say? Delicious.
No! It's delicioso. It's delicioso. Yeah. Uh, Jeez.
Joke mine speaking sober. Hold on, this better not be the same joke from last time. My joke, Reese's penis bread.
uh, that's funny. That's funny. Add.
A storage solution for this dish.
Hold on. What is this? Pasta with garlic sauce, cheese triangles, and orange pieces by Brenda. What? Why would you mix Why it's mac and cheese with cheese, garlic sauce, and oranges? That is a storage solution for it. That does not sound at all appetizing. Wow.
If drunken face emoji was a person.
Sorry, had to stop the dog from picking at herself. Here we go. That is hilarious. It's so accurate. Wow. Yeah.
I'm never gonna look at this emoji to see.
I don't know what it is about the chipmunk voice, but it just makes things so much more funny when he laughs.
So much funnier.
That's what I said. What? What? It looks like an ultra realistic Stewie Griffin. Looks like Stewie Griffin if he had a normal head. Wow. Wow, the resemblance is so weird to see.
High school girl. OMG, Jonathan is so fine. Jonathan.
Look at the dog. I love the dog's face.
Rinsing dishes before they go.
Hey, my homie back there thinks you're cute.
What is that? Do I see Freddy Fazbear in the background?
Jonathan Freed has to come approach you for it if you already know it's a red flag. Back there looking ghoulish.
Wow. I think that is Freddy Fazbear in the background. I'm not sure.
My dumb ass getting ready for plans I made when I was in a good mood.
Yep. You make plans when you're in a good mood to do some stuff, and then all of a sudden you're not in a good mood anymore, and you're still getting ready.
You're like, man, why did I agree to this?
Yep. Almost done with it.
When you get a new wig to press Bane, he says, that stupid shit on your head. Take it off.
I love the ones with the dogs.
Why the dog look like that lady from
I love the ones with the dogs. It looks like a dog version of a Karen.
This looking stupid.
Oh, wow. It's cute. It's hilarious. We got a little bit more of the video to go.
When you're 3 plates deep on Thanksgiving and Grandma says, smile for the camera, handsome. How busted you look. Grandma gonna make you feel like the most handsome dude in the world.
I'm a big eater, so I can definitely relate to that.
That's it.
Wow.
Do not turn my seat warmer on if your stink. Because what you're not about to do is fry your fish and
What the hell? What? What?
Jay-Z when he sees Beyonce walk in wearing lingerie.
Oh. Oh my god. Yeah. That's the last meme of this video. Good lord. Well, I hope you had a laugh as well. Oh, those memes were good. Those memes were good. Okay. I'm gonna end this here. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please leave a like and comment below saying that you did. Check out Mentally Mitch's stuff. They are absolutely hilarious. Also, don't forget to subscribe to both their channel and mine. It really helps out on both ends. It helps them get some more recognition for what they do because they need it. It's absolutely genius and hilarious. And it also helps me to know that I'm doing a good job and entertaining you guys. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe, you know the whole deal. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Thought